everybody! Welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers! Today I will show you how to make Anko Adzuki Bean sweet paste by pressure cooker. Before I'm gonna show you how to make Anko by pressure cooker, I want to tell you something about Anko, about Adzuki beans that I read in Japan, the Azuki came from the east part of Japan, and almost in Japan 16,000 years ago they have a historic remain that they found Adzuki beans. So that's how much we have history, I guess. And Anko is the main Japanese sweets for Japanese people for a long time, because we didn't really have dairy products or meat. We didn't really eat meat. We are islands, so lots of seafood. So meat or dairy, cheese or creams or milk, those are not really for Japanese sweets. So Adzuki or the beans with sugar or the sweet is the combination of food was the Japanese sweets for a long time. Then we have dorayaki, which I already made a video, so if you're interested in, find it, and maybe I'm gonna put it here. And also mochi, which is I also made how to make it video, so you can find it, and maybe I'm gonna put it here. And also ampan is a bread, taiyaki is similar to dorayaki, but you have to have mold, so you can't make it by your house. Usually you have to buy from the store. But about the taiyaki, I'm just gonna tell you, a couple days ago I made vegan waffle, which I also have video, which is lighter than regular waffles. And I made the waffle and I put Adzuki beans on top of it and eat it, and it does really taste like taiyaki when I was in Japan and buying taiyaki. So maybe you want to try that one. So I have that video also, so I'm gonna put it here. But if you make Anko, you can have lots of variety of food, which I also made mizuyokan, which I have video, so maybe I'm gonna put it here. But once you make Anko, you can make lots of different sweets. And I like this Anko sweet because my taste, that's what I grown up with. However, this is pretty good, actually very good sweets, because they don't have fat like more likely Western kind of sweets, because the Japanese sweets traditionally doesn't have fat in it because it's not dairy. So it's less calorie and also lots of fibers, and fiber is really good to you, and it's cooked fiber, so it's a little different for your body or the health compared to raw fiber. Both are good, but cooked fiber is also good. And in Japan, long time ago, I didn't know, and also I've never had it, but a long time ago they said if you have hangover, drink the juice from Azuki beans cooked water. So what they do is that is lots of vitamin B1, and when it goes to the liver, this B1 break down the alcohol, so that is very good for hangover. So that is like ancient people's idea, or the things that they used to do. So personally, I like the taste, and when you make it, you can adjust your sugar, so that adjust your sweetness. So this is very good for diet. Plus, you have lots of fiber, which is pretty good diet too. So now I will show you how to do it. So this is how to make Anko by pressure cooker. This is a note. You should eat, you can put in the refrigerator and keep it, but of course you should eat as soon as possible, maybe 3 to 5 days. But if you put in the small pack or the small plastic bag and put it in the freezer, you can keep it that way too. So I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like it, please subscribe my YouTube channel or the thumbs up for me, and so I'm gonna continue to make more video. However, I will make once a week, every week. I'm making more Japanese cooking videos. I hope you enjoy, and hopefully I will see you next time. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. See you next time.